Petroleum is found in porous rock formations in the upper strata of some areas of the Earth's crust. Known reserves of petroleum are typically estimated at around 1.2 trillion barrels, with at least one estimate as high as 3.74 trillion barrels. Consumption is currently around 84 million barrels per day, or 31 billion barrels per year. Because of reservoir engineering difficulties, recoverable oil reserves are significantly less than total oil in place. At current consumption levels, current known reserves would be gone in about 32 years, around 2039. However, this ignores any new discoveries, changes in demand, better technology, population growth, industrialization of third world countries, and other factors.